What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Off Day Angler. I am going to be fishing what I believe is Poplar Creek today. We are just up the upstream from the historic K25 diffusion plant, part of the Manhattan Project. So we may find some fish here that have extra fins or eyes, but I don't know how much it gets fished. I've never really heard about fishing here. Just kind of saw it on the map and thought I'd give it a shot. So we're going to find out what we catch. Water is fairly stained here, so I think I'm going to take off this green pumpkin craw and use the Old Faithful black with red glitter and see if that does us any good. There we go. Oh man, that is big, whatever that is. This thing is freaking huge. Kind of looks like a drum. He's whipped my kayak. He's got a lot of fight in him, whatever he is. Goodness, he's still fighting. There he is again. Look at that beast. I don't have a scale on me, so I have no idea. I'm not going to be able to weigh him. That's for sure. Yeah, that's a drum. That's a big drum. There we go. Holy. Try to get some slack on my line. There we go. Got that taken care of. Look at that thing, man. That thing is huge. I don't want to guess a weight. I'm horrible with weight. Beautiful looking fish. Was definitely bass fishing today. Was not expecting this thing. But goodness. I'm not disappointed. That was a nice fight. Not disappointed at all. Get a picture here. All right, let's get this guy released. You ready, bud? There he goes, back into the depths. Man, what a fish. Whoo! That was on the good old faithful Zoom Speed Craw, black with red glitter. I think that's like a 3/8 ounce weight or 1/4 ounce weight, just Texas rigged on a 2.0 hook. Definitely got some slime on me. Ew. I got nicked by a fin in the process when I kind of dropped him on my leg. Oh yeah, it's really shallow. Oh, there's a couple huge carp, look like carp, hanging out right over there. Look, oh my gosh, they're everywhere. So it was a fairly unsuccessful day. Started the day off with a bang with that big drum, and then haven't seen a fish the rest of the day. So I'm a little disappointed, but you know, I get to explore the area, and I know for next time, and kind of answers my questions. So I'm on my way home, and just so happened to come upon this little creek. So I'm going to see if I can get down to it and see if there's any fish in here. There we go. Little tiny sunfish. Don't ask me what kind it is. I'm horrible about that, but oop. Little tiny guy. But hey, it's more than the fish I had today, so went from the biggest fish to the smallest fish. Alright guys, so this was probably a short video since I didn't have a whole lot of luck today. I just had the one big fish. I'm definitely going to come back to this creek though. Caught the little fish in there, and we're going to explore further, so be looking out for part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, leave me a comment. Lets me know keep doing what I'm doing. I'll catch you guys later.